Now let's connect the already mounted Cintiq Pro 27 to a PC by using the single USB-C cable connectivity. Please make sure that your PC USB-C port does support the alt display port functionality to carry over data and video signals. To start this, I will open the flap on the left side, looking from the back, by lifting it up, and behind the flap you will see the USB-C connector on the left, USB-A connector in the middle, and on the right the power connector. Let's start by attaching the power connector first and make sure that it goes firmly into the socket. Then take the USB-C cable and do similar. When properly attached, please put the back cover on and slide it down that it snaps in successfully. Now I connect the USB-C plug to the USB-C port on my PC and use the power button on the backside of the Cintiq Pro 27 to switch it on. The next connectivity option for our Cintiq Pro 27 is using HDMI for video and USB-C for data. Again, make sure that the power supply is already connected to the Cintiq Pro, and to connect HDMI and USB-C, have a look at the rear end. To the right side, you will see the back cover. We lift it off by pulling it up, and we start by connecting the HDMI cable. Make sure that you have an ultra high-speed certified HDMI cable to support the UHD resolution with the 120 Hz response rate. And in the center connector is the the HDMI connector here, and let's plug in the cable securely in there. And after that we will take our USB-C cable and we attach the USB-C cable in the socket on the right. Again, if you want, you can use the cable tie to sort your cables, and then finally just close the back cover again firmly. On the PC side, I plug the HDMI cable into the graphics card and the USB-C cable into the USB-C port. Another option to connect the Cintiq Pro 27 to a PC is using HDMI and USB-A by using the USB-C to USB-A cable which comes with your Cintiq Pro 27. To do this, please make sure that it is already connected with the power supply, and if you look on the back of your Cintiq Pro 27, on the right side, open the flap here, where here you can find the video connectors, where HDMI is in the center, and I use the HDMI cable to connect the video. If you use HDMI cable, please make sure that it is an ultra high speed certified cable to support all the different resolutions and refresh rates. After connecting the HDMI, use the USB-C to USB-A cable and put in the USB-C side on the Cintiq Pro back and connect the USB-A side on the other end of the cable to your PC. Last but not least, you can use the cable strip to secure the cables and finally reattach the cover on the back by pushing it down firmly, and we are done. Now I plug the HDMI cable to the graphics card and the USB cable to the USB-A port on my PC. After we have now connected the power supply to the Cintiq Pro 27, let's have a look to the data connecting option, which is in this case connecting the Cintiq Pro 27 to a PC by using the display port for video and USB-C for data. And to do this, let's open the flap or the cover on the right side, looking from the back on the Cintiq Pro 27. Here you will find different connectors for mini display port, HDMI and USB-C. And to connect the display port, use the mini display port to display port cable and connect it firmly to the socket in there. Okay. Please make sure that it's fully fastened in there, and then afterwards take the USB-C cable and put it to the socket on the right. Okay. If you want, you can fix it with the cable tie, and then finally you can simply close the cover by putting it back to the lower position, and we are done. Now I plug the display port plug into the graphics card on the PC and the USB-C cable to the appropriate port. Next connectivity option is connecting the Cintiq Pro 27 to a PC by using DisplayPort for the video signal and using USB-A on the PC side by using the USB-C to A cable, which comes with your Cintiq Pro 27. To do this, let's have a look on the right side, looking from the back of your Cintiq Pro. And please make sure that the power supply is already connected, and let's open the flap by pulling it up. Here you see the video ports. On the very left you will see the mini display port. In the center you see HDMI, and on the right you see USB-C. And now I start by connecting the mini display port to DisplayPort cable by putting the plug firmly into the socket here. Okay. After we have done this, we take our USB-C to USB-A cable and plug in the USB-C side to the Cintiq Pro 27, and the USB-A plug on the other side of the cable will be attached to the PC. If you want, you can use the cable tie again to fix your cables, and then finally you just remount the rear cover by putting it down firmly. And now I connect the DisplayPort to the graphics card and the USB to the USB-A port on my PC.